Hello, gardeners. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where at the end of summer, your plants start to look sick and pests take over your garden? Sound familiar? I know how frustrating it can be. After tending to your garden all summer, the last thing you want is for pests and diseases to ruin your efforts. But don't worry, today I will show you how you can save your plants with the help of a few simple ingredients that you already have at home. Sound too good to be true? Stay with me until the end and discover the secret recipes that will bring your garden back to life. Don't let pests that you don't want and least hope for take over your garden after a lot of effort throughout the season. But before we get to the topic of this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Like this video and share it with your friends to help all your loved ones with their garden. We all know how annoying and persistent weeds can be, but today I'm going to show you a trick that's so simple it will surprise you. Yogurt, rich in probiotics and beneficial bacteria, can help you get rid of weeds permanently. When applied to weeds, yogurt creates unfavorable conditions for their growth, slowly suffocates them and prevents further reproduction. Application is very simple. All you need is yogurt and a spoon. Apply yogurt directly to the roots of the weeds or to the surface of the soil where the weeds are most persistent. The yogurt will slowly penetrate the soil and release beneficial bacteria that will hinder the growth of weeds. This method is especially effective in small areas or in areas of the garden where you want to keep other plants safe. The advantage of this method is that it is completely natural and safe for the environment. You don't have to worry about chemicals that can harm your plants or soil. Plus, this trick is very economical. All you need is plain yogurt, and the result is a clean, tidy, weed-free garden. And there you have it. A simple and quick way to get rid of weeds forever using yogurt. The next time you notice unwanted guests in your garden, don't forget this trick. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for even more useful tips and tricks. See you soon in new adventures from the garden. See, pest and disease control does not have to be expensive or complicated. With a few ingredients you already have at home, you can protect your plants and extend the harvest season. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like and share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful gardening tips. See you in the next video.